Welcome to Local Traders, a leading peer-to-peer crypto exchange where trading is secure and seamless. Here at Local Traders, we prioritize security and ease. Completing your Level 3 KYC verification ensures the highest level of safety and grants access to exclusive features like the peer-to-peer merchant program, broader fiat currencies, higher limits, and more. Let's proceed with Level 3 address verification. Log into your Local Traders account and head to your profile. Navigate to the Verification tab and select Level 3 KYC. Click Start Now, and you'll be redirected to our trusted KYC provider, SumSub. Choose a document for proof of address, such as a utility bill, bank statement, or credit card statement. Ensure the document is clear, readable, and shows your full name and address. Once uploaded, SumSub will securely review your information. After approval, your verification status will update in your profile. Congratulations on completing Level 3 KYC. You now have full access to all the features Local Traders offers. Ready to unlock the ultimate trading experience? Sign up with Local Traders today and complete your KYC to begin trading securely and seamlessly. Happy trading!